Come back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Football is where we kick off. Reggae Boys assistant coach Jerome Waite is denying reports that he has been given a letter of dismissal by the Jamaica Football Federation after news broke on Monday that he has been relieved of his duties with the national senior men's team.
Reggae Boys head coach Theodore Whitmore is said to have another new assistant, as TVJ Sports understands that a move to relieve Jerome Waite is imminent. However, when contacted on Monday, Waite insisted that he has not received a letter from the JFF. It's understood that following a meeting last Wednesday with the Technical and Development Committee to discuss the recent Asian trip, questions were raised about an interview Waite was involved in with CVM TV. A source close to the JFF told TVJ Sports that comments Waite made during the interview did not go down well with high-ranking members of the local football governing body. This led to a recommendation to relieve the former Arnett Gardens coach of his duties. Waite's dismissal would come on the heels of the JFF's appointment of former national player Paul Hall as assistant coach to Whitmore. TVJ Sports also understands that Whitmore requested that Hall and Davian Ferguson be appointed assistant coaches. However, it's believed that Ferguson, who coaches Jamaica College, declined the offer, leading the JFF to appoint former Reggae Girls head coach Maron Gordon to the position. A source revealed to TVJ Sports that a recommendation has been made by a member of the Technical and Development Committee to transfer Waite to the youth program. While confirming that a meeting was held recently with Waite, JFF General Secretary Dalton Wynn said he could not speak on whether news of Waite's impending dismissal are in fact true until the JFF's board meeting on Tuesday. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.